In looking at some extraction equipment, instruments, this is one of my favorite extraction forceps. It's a small breed forceps, in fact, a pediatric type forceps. It's got small, short handles that fit well in your hand, and it also has a fairly delicate forceps portion. Because when I am getting ready to remove that loosened tooth or root segment out of the alveolus, if I have to use too much force, then I have not elevated enough or I need to remove more bone. So I like being able to gently grasp it and even grasp it with a little bit of rotation to help fatigue that ligament. In addition, here's something a lot of people don't know about. It's a lip retractor with coated ends, and you place this retractor on the lip to help keep the lip away from the surgical site. Now you can also put some gauze inside the forceps ends to help provide a little bit of comfort for the lip itself, but this can be very helpful as well.